Okay. Welcome. Glad you're here. Here's your hug for the day. Um, I love you. Grandmama P here. What we're going to do is do it yourself. We're making ornaments for a bird tree. We're going to give the Christmas tree, for the birds this year. If you have a pine, a cedar, fir, you don't have to buy one if you've got one in the yard or in a field or a friend's farm you can cut. But we're going to remove the sections. This is little mandarin halos. We're going to remove the sections, and you can put them in ambrosia or fruit salad. And we're going to fill this with birdseed, put gelatin, and we may use sweet gum balls if my son-in-law hadn't thrown them away. We're going to coat them with a type of mixture and bird seeds. And we have these larger navel orange cups that will do the same thing to put bird seed down in here. Then we're going to string cranberries and popcorn. And we're going to have a tree for the birds this year. I started that. My daughter's 36 years old, so when she was about 2, we let her decorate her own tree. And then we moved to making ornaments for the birds. Then we let her have friends over for a party. And when she was like in the 6th grade, I think, 5th, she had a big boy-girl party, but we were going caroling with the kids. And we invited the boys, and we made these birdseed ornaments and decorated a tree in our backyard. And the boys loved it because they said, we're never invited to any kind of craft thing, and we like crafts too. So the boys really loved it. And even though some of them brought their older brothers that were in middle school, they all enjoyed it. And they even enjoyed the caroling. So I always include boys. They may not want to do it, and that's great. But if they do, let them. But that's what we're doing. It's real simple. We're going to scoop out. I don't have any strength. I have a muscle disease. We're going to scoop out these oranges, slices. And then these are fresh. I did those this morning. And what I did, because I don't have any strength, I couldn't do it with a cruel craft needle. I did it with my drill, a drill bit, and it went in like seconds, where I fought with it for a long time. But that's what we're going to do. This is just phase 1. This is the orange cups to put the bird seed in. And you may know the type of birds that are in your area around your house that you want to feed. But yeah, you can do it. You can do it. All it takes is a little effort. Okay, so this is just to show you when I use my drill what I'm doing. For me, the craft needle is just too hard anymore. So that's all you do. Is it only takes a second that way. If people that don't have strength, that's an idea to use. Just clean your drill bit. Hang it on the tree. Don't wear it. Put it on the tree. The tree. The tree. Like that. Get another one. And hang it where you want to put it. Hang it. Don't take it apart. Put it on tree. Put it on tree. Good girl. That's pretty. That's a good place. Here, we'll put one there. Now put it on a branch. Put it on a branch. Yeah, put it on the branch. Good girl. Yeah, put it on another branch. Aurora is decorating her first. Uh-oh, we dropped it. But we put it up here. We'll put it on there. That was a little handle. That was why it fell off. Okay, where you want to put those? Huh? Nope, can't eat them. I got more for you to eat. Okay, get some more. Get popcorn. Where you want to put that? Get it. Yeah. No, don't eat it now. We got to put it for the birds. We got to put it for the birds. No, don't eat the bird seed. Here you go. Put it on a tree. Over here. That's okay. I'll sweep it up. Good girl. Get some more. Get some more. Yeah. Yeah, you do it. You do it. You do it. Put it on a tree. Pick a place. Over here. Yeah, there you go. Look at there what you did. You can't eat them now. I got some for you to eat. We can't eat these right now. No, no. Do these. Very good place. Yes, a very good place. Uh-oh, I knocked it off. God, it's hard to film and hang stuff on a tree. Okay, you want to put 2 on that branch. Okay. Let's do this one down here. These are for you to do. These are for you to do. Yeah, where you want to put it? You got a place over here. Look, lots of places over here. You see a branch? Very good place. Yes, very, very good place. You got some more? You gonna move it? Don't take them off to eat. I'll get you some to eat. We're just gonna, that goes on the tree too. That goes on the tree too. We need to do a star out of this stuff. Yeah. Yeah, okay. That's fine. It's your tree. You decorate it any way, whoops, any way you want to. Yeah, leave them on there because we. Okay. Very good. Now, don't get into them. That's for the birds to eat. Because we're going to sprinkle that everywhere. Yeah. Yeah, we're going to hang this one. We're going to hang this one. You're going to put them all on one branch. That's fine if that's what you want to do. It is your branch. Da 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 da. Do 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 do. Yeah, these hang up here. Yeah, where you gonna hang it? Where you gonna hang it? Huh? That's okay. I'm gonna sweep that up. Yeah, that's right. We'll turn the tree a little bit. Uh-oh, can you pick that up? What a helper. What a helper. What a good decorator. Yes, you are. I like it. Make sure it's on the branch. Yeah, make sure it's on the branch. Uh-oh. Something fall off?